we have some exciting news from Dementia Go. The Dementia Go team work really hard to help improve the lives of people affected by dementia. Here's just some of the work that they do. The Dementia Go community exercise classes are run throughout the county. They include special events and outings like dances, walks and trips, and there's a strong emphasis on social interactions, inclusion and having lots of fun. The Moving Moments project supports care home staff in empowering residents to be more active, and there's an annual inter-home sports day where everyone's a winner. The Gwynedd Boccia League and annual tournaments bring people living with dementia and other chronic health conditions together to enjoy sport, some friendly competition and have some fun. Deep United Dwyfor and Meirionnydd. This arm of the Dementia Engagement and Empowerment project is based in Barmouth as a support and advocacy network for those living with dementia. The Sporting Memories Network. Memories are powerful, and this national partnership works to tackle loneliness and isolation by bringing people together to enjoy reminiscing about sport. The team are passionate about raising awareness and breaking down barriers to help communities gain a better understanding of dementia. They offer information and training sessions and are involved with the Alzheimer's Society's Dementia Friendly Communities Initiative. A vital part of the team's work is bringing people together, listening to how people are affected by dementia and ensuring that they work in the best way for them. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought new challenges. The team's main aim has been to support people by keeping in regular contact, on the phone, via text, email, social media, and in other ways. And the team have worked hard to acquire new skills. They're delivering online exercise classes and supporting people to be digitally inclusive. So what's the big news? Well, now we're bringing all these aspects together under a new name, Dementia Actif Gwynedd. And to go along with this new name is a brand new dementia-friendly website. This site will provide access to all the services and support that Dementia Actif Gwynedd offer, as well as other dementia resources and useful contacts from across the county, and all in one place. So from everyone at the Dementia Actif Gwynedd team, thank you for watching.